Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for being here. We've got two homes to show you today. The first one is in Oneida, Kentucky, and it is on 28 Forkfield Road and it's $30,000. 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, and 2,000 square feet. No HOA. It's been on the market for, I think it's 29 days. Okay. It was built in 1958 and it's on a 1/4 of an acre lot.
Now we can look at the photos of this one. I did bring out the magnifier so we can zoom on it a little better. Okay, there we go. Does have a big chimney on the side, huh? Big brick chimney. Got a couple trees around it too.
Yeah. The outside just needs some like paint or
yeah,
or power washed or something.
Uh-huh.
Before I forget, the taxes here are 0.77 in Clay County, Kentucky.
0.77, right?
0.77,
Okay. Looks like it has a chain link fence in the backyard too. Siding looks to be clean.
Yeah, it's clean on that side.
On the back, yeah.
Got some awnings.
It needs to be power washed back here, like you said.
Yeah.
The gutters need to be cleaned out on the back. See, there's some stuff growing in the gutters.
Yeah.
There's a kitchen area there. Kitchen cabinets are mostly intact. Just needs one door down here, looks like to me. Got a window over the sink there too. And I guess that's your place for the stove over there on the right. What do you think?
Looks like it.
Yeah. It's like the dining area leading into the living room right here. Got hardwood flooring in the living area, which is very nice. Looks like it needs some more paint in here. And the dining area. Nice wood door leading upstairs too. Look at that.
That's a pretty door.
Yeah. Next photo. Looks like the living area here. Pretty good sized, huh? Pretty good sized living area.
I like those windows on the front.
Yeah.
Those two big windows together.
Do see it has some built-in cabinets in here too.
Yeah.
Nice wood fireplace, huh?
I like that fireplace, don't you?
I do,
the
yeah.
frame around it.
It's very nice looking, yeah.
I don't know what that metal, what is that, like fake brick in there?
Looks like they put fake brick over it. Yeah, I don't know why.
Yeah, that could be really pretty.
It could be, yeah. And here is one of the bedrooms here. Has a couple windows in here and some vinyl flooring. Nice wood door though. Remember, this house does have 4 bedrooms. So. There are some of the bedrooms actually have hardwood flooring. There's a bathroom.
A blurry picture, isn't it?
Blurry photo, yeah.
It's not your eyes, everybody.
No, it's not your eyes.
It's the picture they took.
It's the photo, yeah. Has a shower tub combo in there. Here's
beautiful windows in this room.
Yeah,
I love this room.
Yep, the second bedroom here, very nice bedroom.
Nice framing around the windows. Nice flooring.
I agree, yeah. Very nice bedroom. Here's the third bedroom here. It looks like this one has carpeting in it.
This one has nice double windows.
It does have nice windows in here, yeah. Carpeting will definitely need to be replaced in here.
Yeah.
Looks stained.
What if it's got hardwoods under it? Every other room we've seen, except one room, had vinyl.
Yeah, it might have hardwood flooring. You know, there's no telling. Like, it has a closet area over there too. Here's the fourth bedroom here. Carpeted also, but it does have some nice big double windows in here. Like paneling on the walls. There's a banister there. wood banister leading
Mhm.
upstairs. So I guess that one with the carpet in it and the paneling is upstairs, the bedroom. It has nice woodwork in this house. Let's look at the map now. See here. Turn on the amenities and see what's around here. It's a very small town. It has a Dollar General, a couple of churches around here too. There's South Fork, Kentucky River that runs through this town. Zoom out a bit here. Pretty isolated. Another Dollar General over there. I don't know how those stores are everywhere. Wow, I mean, there's really not too much around here. As you see, Henson's Grocery all the way to the northeast over here. Maybe Buckhorn has some stuff, maybe? What do you think?
I don't know.
I don't see anything. There's a volunteer fire department. There's a trading post down here, too. There's a hospital in Manchester, which is southwest of here. Manchester might have some more stuff. What do you think? Walmart. Manchester has a Walmart, a McDonald's, and a hospital. So that's probably your closest Walmart right there in Manchester.
Yeah.
Okay, Lexington is in the northwest of here. Looks like it's in the southeast part of Kentucky. Not too far from Virginia and Tennessee. Now for the street view here. The house is right over here by this church. It's right there. So here's your house right here. It's behind this church. It's funny, it's right there by the church. I'm not sure if it was at one point the church's property or not, or if it just happens to be there. Looks like parking would be right here. This gravel road, see? That's your parking.
You pull up there.
Pull up to your house through that way, yeah. It's a nice church, though. I mean, look at that.
Can I see the front of the house again?
Sure, yeah, sure.
I just wanted to see what it looks like on street view. It looks like it might be cleaner.
Looks nicer on street view, you know?
Yeah, it does.
Really nice.
I mean, it's really pretty.
It is.
Look, just imagine some beautiful flowers in the front, like I always say, but it makes such a difference. Just imagine that in your head.
Yeah.
Just some beautiful pink bushes of flowers.
It would look so much nicer.
That hides that gray part on the bottom.
Yeah, I mean, landscaping would make a huge difference on this house.
Yeah. And just paint inside.
Yeah.
You know, just clean it up a little bit. Change the flooring.
Mm-hmm.
And you've got all this right out here to enjoy.
Right across the street from you, you have this right here.
Yeah, that's nice.
Really cool. Really nice.
It's a beautiful area.
It is. Okay, now let's move on to the next property, which is in Tiptonville, Tennessee. This one's listed at $110,000. It's on 636 Foster Street. It has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 1,594 square feet. Listing agent's name is Gina Miller. Phone number 731-501-5241.
And we would want to show them the street view real quick.
Because
we want you to see how pretty this is on street view.
That's the house right there.
That's beautiful.
It's really nice on street view.
Yeah.
The picture did not do it justice at all.
No.
Really nice looking property there.
Beautiful home.
Yeah.
Trees around it.
Uh-huh. We're going to look at the photos now. Here is your main living area here. Nice big windows with panes in them. In the living area. Carpeting looks to be pretty clean. Might want to paint the wall color, maybe.
Yeah, it's a little bit dark.
Yeah.
Some people might like dark.
Yeah, true.
Got a nice new stainless steel dishwasher in there.
Yeah, black stove and what is that? I think the kitchen sink leads. You can see over into the dining area, possibly.
Yeah, it looks like it.
And
like a pass-through bar area.
Yeah, nice cabinets in here too. Nice cabinets.
They are nice cabinets.
Okay, there is the dining area, I guess, or second living area.
It might
possibly
be a combination of a dining and living room area. You know how they
I'm sure.
Are
we'll see in a second. I'm sure.
Yeah.
Pretty good sized kitchen too.
It is pretty big. A lot of cabinets.
Mm-hmm. First bedroom
That's
here.
pretty. I love that bedroom.
Looks like to me, yeah.
All the windows, letting all that light. Look at the windows though. They're just.
Mm-hmm. Very nice
I
in this
can't tell if
room.
they're vinyl windows.
I don't know, but I like the frame. You know, the panes in there, and
Mm-hmm.
also the framework around the windows. The trim is really nice. You got trim along the ceilings too. That's always a good sign.
Yep.
Baseboards and trim on the ceiling, molding on the
Molding and all
ceiling.
that. Yeah. The
Very
carpet
nice.
looks pretty good too.
It does, yeah. Another bedroom here. Nice chair railing. I do like the wallpaper.
Mm-hmm. I like the wallpaper too.
Mm-hmm.
It looks like it's got a heater on the wall.
Possibly a wall
Wall
heater,
heater?
yeah. Possibly, yeah. It does have vents in the ground also.
Mm-hmm. Maybe they had those wall heaters and they just didn't take them out and they put in central heat and air. I'm not positive about that.
Yeah.
We'll have to look.
Yeah, we can look down the description after this. Another nice bedroom here.
Yeah,
Nice,
that's pretty.
nice
I love all
house.
the windows.
Nice house so far, huh?
Yes.
Bathroom here. Actually, I don't need to do that. It's a bigger photo. I'm so used to doing it. Okay.
Yeah.
Here's the shower tub combo in here. Interesting, it has a ceiling on it. Look.
It's like an enclosure, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. It's a shower tub combo enclosure.
It's kind of claustrophobic looking to me.
Reminds me of a spaceship or something.
It does. That's what I was thinking. Yeah, I don't like claustrophobic stuff.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And that does, I don't know, maybe it's just the view of this. Maybe it's wider than we think it is.
Could be, yeah.
You know.
It does have a nice vanity in here. Nice new vanity.
It does look nice, yeah.
Mm-hmm. It does. I mean, the toilet's not too far from the vanity, so it probably is pretty small in
Yeah.
this bathroom. And there's another photo of it there.
Mm-hmm.
Here is the utility room. Paneling in here. Enough space for a side-by-side. And there's a carport area outside. Nice carport, huh?
That is. It's very nice.
Yeah. I like it, yeah. One more photo here of the backyard.
Nice backyard. I mean, it doesn't look like a partway fence. It's partially fenced, isn't it?
Appears to be. Want me to zoom in again? See? Okay. Looks like there's a 6-foot fence over there on the right, and then possibly maybe like a really low chain link fence too.
Yeah, it looks like a chain link fence, the neighbor's chain link fence.
Yeah. Okay, now let's look at the. Want to look at the map, or do you want to look at? We're going to look at something in the description, right?
Oh yeah. It's got 2 bathrooms, but I don't remember seeing 2 bathrooms.
Yeah, I don't either. Yeah.
Only the claustrophobic bathroom is all I remember.
Yeah. So that has a 2-car garage and detached carport space.
I haven't seen. Where's the garage?
I don't know. Built in 1956. I don't see a garage. It's detached, they say. So maybe we'll see it on the
Street view.
Yeah. Now let's look at the map here. See what amenities are around here, and then we'll look at the street view. There's a food right not too far away. A DG Market, a pharmacy, a Sonic. And some other restaurants. Dairy Queen is there too. Not too far from the Missouri state line over here and the Mississippi River. Union City is to the east over there, not too far away. Union City is pretty good sized. Dyersburg is to the south. This is in the very northwest tip of Tennessee. Now for the street view. Very nice street view. Okay, let's see if we can spot the garage, huh? And there's a nice driveway right here.
Mm-hmm.
And this house is on a corner lot, by the way.
Love corner lots.
Mm-hmm. That the garage over there, possibly?
Looks like it.
Mm-hmm.
It's very nice. I love that.
Really nice.
That side door over there.
Yeah. Okay,
Like they park in their under their carport when they live there.
It looks like that's a garage, yeah, right there. Yeah, I see the carport. Carport's pretty big too, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Good size. Nice
Oh,
shade tree here.
I
We'll
was gonna
see.
say, can we see that garage a little bit better?
Yeah, I'm trying. Yeah.
Is that how they pull in
How do you
back there?
get in?
Is this the little drive kind of thing?
I'm
right?
trying to figure it out.
I know.
It doesn't look like it.
No.
There's a fence. How do you get in? I wonder. I wish they would have shown on the photos of it, so we could really know. I don't see any doors here. Do you?
Well,
I'm confused about it
I don't
myself.
think they use it as a garage.
Yeah, could just be a storage shed, possibly.
Well, most people don't like a detached garage. Just I think because it's hard to get in your house from there.
Yeah.
You gotta get out and go through the yard, and it could be raining, cold.
Yeah, it's true. Yeah. It's true.
I'd rather have an attached garage or a carport myself.
Mm-hmm. Nice neighborhood, huh?
It's beautiful.
Now we can see that a little better from here. Keep trying to figure it out, but I don't see any doors.
They're not using it as a garage.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't see any doors
As far
on
as
it.
we can tell.
It appears to be more of a shed to me.
That's an absolutely beautiful lot.
Yeah. Nice neighborhood too. These nice houses around it. You know?
Yeah, exactly.
It's only $110,000. That's a pretty good deal, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, everybody. Thank you for watching this video today. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more videos in the future, and we will see you in the next video also. Remember, your new home could be in the next video. Have a nice day.